It's October 26th. It's Saturday. We have a party tonight. I don't have a costume. I don't know what to wear. We're gonna make something happen. We're gonna go to Walmart and then we'll go to the Halloween store.
Yeah. The problem is...
He's the problem. Why am I the problem?
Definitely the problem.
You know, this is the story of my life.
Definitely the problem.
This camera is the problem. She's good. The baby's fine, if anyone's wondering. Papa granted us. Give the camera to Condor. He can vlog the last half hour. Later, bro.
Later.
Have fun. Get good content.
So, anywho.
Better go viral.
Were you leaving your phone here? Or your GoPro? You want to see my... So we're going to get a real review right here.
Get the camera.
Tell us how you really feel.
I feel like this is some bullshit. And Grant was supposed to save a bird. He didn't do shit.
OSHA certified.
Straight up. Just straight up, boys. We're going to save us a little baby bird.
We're gonna come up and get you, man. Go up because he's gonna come back this way. Go faster. Here he comes.
This is as fast as it goes.
Is it too late to say I don't like heights? Keep going. Stop. Okay, go. Oh,
Oh, man.
where'd he go?
He went back the other way. He gonna come. Here we go. You gotta catch him.
Oh, okay. Yeah, lean it back.
No,
Oh!
Rough. You son of a bitch.
Terrifying.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Beam me down, Scotty.
Nah.
ready?
I'm ready.
Dude, oh, we gonna get him. Nah, I'm gonna stop it. Ah!
I missed it. It was so close. Wait, here she.
Oh! Yeah, the one shot you had him.
Good. I got this little ass net. Sorry,
We'll
guys.
get it tomorrow when it's dead.
Yeah, we failed. But it's all you can do. Hey, Condor.
What?
How angry are we today?
I'm happy now. Because I'm leaving. Where are you going? Home. So 9, bro.
Are you gonna come back?
Nope.
Kim and I, we're about to go to Chick-fil-A, and then we're gonna go find Halloween costumes.
Stoked.
My gas is so low, it doesn't even show up. I heard they use holy water for the soda, and that's why it tastes so good. See if we can find the costumes. No, thank you. As much fun as that was, there's not a single costume that interests us, so we're probably just gonna wing it. What's Bubba gonna be for Halloween? Huh? Mama ain't gonna like that. Mama ain't gonna like that. Problem solved. What's Mama gonna be?
16 and pregnant.
I changed it up. I'm gonna be a tourist vlogger. So I'm on vacation. That's why I got flowers, right? What I got? Palm trees? Yeah, I got palm trees and waves. Probably a flower if you look for it. Mama brings everything. What? Nothing. Love you. Sweet 16, and I'm a tourist vlogger. Look at this. What is wrong with your addicted to Dunkin' Donuts? Are you addicted to Dunkin' Donuts?
America runs on Dunkin'. Hi!
Holy shit, the first ones to show up.
We're real parents. Hi, Dad.
Yeah. I'm 16 and pregnant.
Yeah. This is what makes it right here.
That's it, dude. It took forever to find them bad boys.
You know, if they're white New Balances, the man knows how to cook.
That's right.
Facts. Look at the claws.
Oh, what?
I got claws too.
Say
Oh my God, it's real. This is real too. Spooky. It's terrible.
Wait.
Oh! As predicted. Rained all day yesterday, so we're doing the yard today. We have to pick up landmines from this guy. This is how much crap I have to deal with. Not gonna lie, it's super hot out and humid. A little bit more to go. Ridiculously hot out. The reason we're doing the lawn today, and then we gotta take the shutters off too. Going to the boat show this week, and that's gonna be exciting. Biggest boat show in the world, so we're prepping the house so Mama's gonna be comfortable while we're gone. And then I gotta get these shutters off from Hurricane Dorian. I don't know, it's been so long. I'm lazy, I just left them on. So we gotta take some shutters off, and that'll be the end of the weekend. Do a little barbecue, jump in the pool. Okay guys, I'd just like to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, hit the little bell on the top. Have a good week.